Hi, I'm Louise from Flycast Media. Today, I'm going to show you 3 methods of generating tons of content ideas in less than 3 minutes. First, we'll look at Google Autocomplete. As you can see, Google shows a range of popular options when you start to type, which is great for initial content ideas. Then, I'm going to show you Ubersuggest, which takes it a step further. And lastly, keywordtool.io, which does some serious heavy lifting for you. Let's start with Google Autocomplete. Just start typing slowly. Instantly, ideas begin to appear. Lots of people want to know which is better for them, osteopathy or physiotherapy. That's a great idea for a blog post or an article. Now, let's try Ubersuggest. Take the original suggested key phrase and drop it in. Choose your location and press Suggest, and then you get your results. Click to expand your options. As you can see, you get some really good suggestions for even more content. Press the plus sign to save your idea. Then export your keywords and phrases. Lastly, keywordtool.io. Drop the original term in. Again, you get lots of instant ideas. And they're very specific. It's a really good way of coming up with content that nobody else has thought of. It's great because you can export all your terms in one go. But I personally find it easier to manage a few at a time. And that's how you come up with a content plan in less than 3 minutes. Any questions? Feel free to drop us a line, and we'll fill in the blanks.